Guys, what's up? So today we are unboxing something. It's Devaluer by Khushboo. First of all, their customer service was very pathetic. Like, it was so bad. I paid them in full and they don't even bother to reply you. And I tried to contact them on email, Instagram, WhatsApp, so no excuses, okay? I tried to contact them everywhere. The only reason why I bought this was I saw this box and the Instagram picture and it was so enticing. I thought, hey, let's get it. Let's see how it is. So I placed the order and everything, and then I started, thinking, are they going to send me? They never replied. I paid in advance. Is this a scam? I had so many questions. And for 4 days, and even up till now, they have not replied to any of those messages. So there is that. Their customer service is pathetic, but I'm glad that we got this box. It's here, and we are going to unbox it. Okay, it smells good actually. Okay, so there is a makeup sponge, and it's a bit dirty. So, okay. And then we have this. What is this? This is a body scrub. Apricot. Ooh. Oh, it smells good actually. So yay for that. It smells really good. There is no brand, but it does say natural. Uh, Technical support from France. And where is the brand? Am I blind? No, there's natural. It's just natural written, and that's it. There is no brand on it. So yeah, okay. And then we have this liquid blush. It looks like Chinese product. Okay. Ooh, it blends really pretty. It is pretty, but it's from Hang Fang and no ingredient list whatsoever. It has no smell. I was trying to smell it. Okay, what's the next thing? The packaging isn't pretty, okay? Let's just say that. And oh, look at this. This is a scrunchie. I like this. This is so pretty. And the color is nice as well. Muffin. Muffin. Chulbuli. Sit down. No, no, no. Okay. So my kitty is here. Do you want something? I think she wants the box. Let me show you guys. Okay. Girl, would you like it? Do you like any of these? No? Are you leaving? She left. She's like, ugh, even I don't like it. Okay. I feel like the products that were mentioned on the website were a lot more. These are less. I'm not sure, but I will check it later. So we have this lip balm. Peach lip balm. Open. Okay. Oh, these are 3. Okay. Nice. Shh, come. Sit. Come. Come sit on my lap. No? These are less balmy and more like lipstick. These are like baby lips sort of thing. Pretty colors though. But they all look similar. Actually, no. They both are different. Okay. I'm sorry, I'm blind. Okay, no, definitely they are different colors and really pretty. So I like this. I like this scrunchie and this so far. I do think the scrub smells so good, but I have to try it to know. Come, sit here. Come, let's show everyone your face. Look at us, we are so pretty. Show your face. No? Okay. Then sit here with me. No? Okay. You wanna run away? Fine. And now we have this natural soap. We open it or we slide it? Okay, we slide it. Ugh. Do I have to go the other way around? Okay, it's working. It is pretty, but what's inside it? What is that? Do we have any information here? It's all natural, natural, natural. Okay, it's saffron. Okay. Let me smell this. It looks so pretty. It smells good. Yes, this is nice. It's so soft. It says handmade. So, okay. And then we have this. What is this? This is lip care. We need a scissor or something. Just a minute. Okay, first let's do other things. Okay, She perfume. It feels empty. Do you feel that? Is it always like that? Because I don't know. Should I be putting it on me? Okay, it's okay. It's not great. It's not bad. Then we have this. We need a scissor for opening these. Then we have these two sheet masks. Niacinamide serum and botany and fruits skincare. Strawberry soft moisturizing mask. Let me know if I should use it on camera or off camera. And then we have two hand creams. Okay, let me see. Nice. Everything is sealed, by the way, which is good. What sort of hand cream is this? Why is this so like that? Okay. It has a smell, but it's like one of those, oint oh, ointment sort of smell. Okay. Ah. Ooh. Of course, all of these products are Chinese, like from Chinese brands. This one has different scent and it's an okay one. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. This I'm not sure. But yeah, there's that. Last three things. First one is this eyeshadow. Come out, come out. Thank you. Let's see. Ooh, pretty. The palette is pretty actually. Sorry, I used something here. Wait. Let me go a little up. Nice. Oh, this was loose lit. So pigmented. Girl, what in the world? I love this. So shiny. Wait, can you even see that? Wait. So shiny. This one's so good. We have another loose one. Just gonna use a little. See? What about white? White ones are often difficult. Okay. Not bad. Actually, pretty good. Let me. Yeah, good. Uh, my kitty cat is going crazy. I love this. Pigments are so good. And this glitter, oh my god. I would have to use it in parties and stuff. And it's so easy to carry. So definitely recommend this. I'm so sorry for the background noises. I'll come again and open these, okay? Just wait. I realized this would be easier to open with scissors. No, knife, sorry. Not with scissors, but knife. So I got knife. I got knife. And yes, it's done. Okay. Okay, so this is the lip mask. Ooh, nice. It looks really pretty actually. And you smell? Yeah, it has a good fragrance. And it is really pretty, the bottle and everything. So, yes. Okay, what's next? This. Chulbali, no. No. I have to be extra careful with where I put knife. Open. Oh, does it open? Oh, I am so dumb. Sorry. Yes. No, no, no. It's supposed to open like this, and then we have this. The packaging is already in a bad shape. But it is sealed, so oh my god, everything looks so good. Right from inside. The packaging was ruined, which doesn't make me happy. I want to feel good. These are so good. These are so good, like. Use it. I'm tempted to use it. But not right now. But these are nice. So happy with this. Anyways, that's it. Actually, no. I saw something else too. Forgot this. Gonna clean it later. Okay. It's all all good. Yeah, so I saw this lip crayon. It is okay, not too impressive. The color is actually meh. Anyways, so that's it for this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. I did. It was fun, but the products were hit and miss. Okay, like I liked this. I loved this, and this I loved. Ah, so good, so pretty. The rest, I'm okay with this. The packaging is actually pretty, and these were nice. But most of the other stuff like She perfume, these two were meh. I did like Scrunchy. This was a good shade, but I don't know, this bottle and everything looks not right now. Chulbuli, stop it. Now she is playing with the shopping bag that I just put there. And this, I don't know, like, it's nice, but it's not something where I go, oh my god, so good. It's okay. And that's about it. It was a hit and miss. It will be linked in the description box. Do let me know if I should do more unboxings like this. I was thinking about mystery boxes. They tempt me a lot. So for this box, I will rate it, what should I rate it? 6.5. Okay, or maybe 7. I don't know, I'm not good with ratings. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, do subscribe and share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.